So I want to thank you again for joining us. This discussion on agility and reliability. This is an interesting question that we hear a lot within organizations. Are they mutually exclusive? How do you become more business responsive and transform the operations and development to meet those needs without losing the safety and soundness of your systems and your applications that support your business? It's a trade-off that a lot of our clients and partners are dealing with. This is an interesting topic, and when we heard the story from Tech Mahindra, we thought we'd like to share that. And so we've asked Tech Mahindra to share the story. There's two speakers listed. Unfortunately, Venkat was not able to make it. He may join us later on for some Q&A, but business comes first, which we certainly understand. So our primary speaker will be Satish Dani. He has over 15 years experience with several large organizations, including iGate, CGI, HCL. But he's currently with Tech Mahindra as a senior business consultant, specializing in program and project management, software engineering practices, as well as organizational transformation. So Satish, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
So let's get started. So as you can see, as I mentioned, when we heard this story, we thought it was interesting because for a couple of reasons. One, we are passionate about helping people understand how the systems in their company, the applications in their company affect their business. Trying to make the connection between good software equals good business. And typically we see this in a lot of different areas. And this is a slide that we use just to show how we touch across an organization, up and down an organization. And when we heard the story, it was interesting because the tale that Tech Mahindra is going to tell us today shows how it affects almost every area within this chart. The challenges that the clients are dealing with in terms of transformation, trying to become more responsive, to accelerate their ability to bring things to market and to respond to their business partners. The ability to increase the visibility at the management level of these transformational efforts and the systems that are driving this business transformation, the kind of visibility and control that they're improving by having better visibility of their application service providers. So this is an interesting situation where Tech Mahindra is a third party monitoring the work of other third parties and trying to see what that transparency looks like. There's also the transformation within the application development process. This organization is moving into an agile development process, and so Tech Mahindra had the challenge of trying to figure out how to fit into that and accelerate that transformation at the ADM level within the agile. So we're excited about the story. I'm going to hand it over to Satish. As I mentioned, if you have any questions along the way, please let me know. So Satish.
Thank you, Pete. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. I thank you all for taking the time out to join this session. This particular presentation would depict the Aqua service, application quality assessment service implementation in a large manufacturing organization. Which has approximately, 24 billion in annual revenue, with a workforce strength of close to 120,000 people. It has its presence almost in 60 countries where they have their sales presence, with their product is being sold. And at the same time, they have operations across the globe, across these 60-plus countries. Functionally, the client is structured into various verticals or customer-facing verticals like idea to market, market to order, CRM, then order to cash. All these verticals are supported by horizontal functions like your IM enabling and integration layer. These functions fundamentally are supported by various COTS products. Of course, the organization that the client has a lot of in-house developed systems, but at the same time, this organization has spent a lot on commercial off-the-shelf products.